In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a white border in Snapseed. So the first thing to do once you've loaded up Snapseed is you want to go ahead and tap anywhere to open up your photos gallery. Then you want to go ahead and select the photo. So I'll select a photo. I'm going to select this one over here of myself. And then to go ahead and add a white border, all you would need to do is go ahead and tap on tools. And then once you're on the tools page, you can scroll down a bit to the bottom and you can see at the bottom right hand corner, it says frames. Go ahead and tap on frames. This is an easy way that I found that you can just quickly make a white border around your photo. As you can see, I've added the white border and you can select different types. You can curve the edges and things like that. I typically just use the number 2, which is working good for me. So I'll select 2. Then when you're happy with it, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. And then from here, you can go ahead and export it. So just tap on export at the bottom right hand corner. So then you can either share it, save it, or export it. It's all up to you what you want to do with the photo. I'll just tap on save. And you can see it says the photo is saved, and that will be in my camera gallery on my phone. So that is how you can add a white border on Snapseed. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Snapseed tutorials.